Well, howdy everybody. I want to do a little price comparison here real quick. Them 3/8 set that I bought from Horusdy. Well, here's a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh's. These are the sizes you get. Well, let's get it. Yeah, come on here. There. Those are the sizes you get. These are $12.99. Okay. That's standard. Shallows. Here's metric shallows. The ones you get, the sizes you get 8 pieces. They are also $12.99. And here's the deeps. Deeps, standard, 8 piece. That's what you get. And there's the price on them, 15 bucks. Well, if I can get it hung on here. Now here's the metric, 8 piece. And there's the sizes you get right there. So there you go. To get a set of, what would this be? 32 pieces? There's 15, 30, 43, 56. Cost you 56 bucks to get those 4 sets right there. 56 bucks. I paid 40 bucks for that kit. Now let's go with Icon. Now if you go with Icon, there's a 12 piece shallow. There's the size you get. And it is $39.99, 40 bucks. 40 bucks for them. The metrics, the size you get, 13 piece. They're also 40 bucks. The deeps, SAE, 12 piece set. You're looking at 55 bucks. And for the metric deep, 13 piece set, there's the size you get. It's also 55 bucks. So you're looking at 55, 110 plus 80. You're looking at 190 bucks to get these 4 pieces, 4 kits, to get full sets of 3/8 drive impacts. So there's my little price comparison going on with Icon, the Pittsburgh Pro, and my Horusdy that I got picked up for 40 bucks for a kit of 50. These you'll get what, 40, 50. You'll get 50 sockets there. So you'll get actually more sockets in the Icons versus what I got. But these are made in Taiwan, and I do believe these are made in Taiwan. The Pittsburghs are made in Taiwan also. Right there it is, made in Taiwan. So I did a little price comparison here with the Harbor Freight with those Horusdy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little price comparison match. There we go, focusing. I'm in a Harbor Freight here checking these out. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for always watching.